Hey guys, Damp World of Mr. Grey, Dandalf the Grey. I finally figured it out. I have finally figured it out with paranormal channels. So the last, like, say 2 weeks, I've been binge watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer again, because it was a show I absolutely loved when it originally aired. I was in my late teens when it first started. I absolutely loved the show. I've binged it many times over the years since. But it was a show that's pretty much shaped my my humor and my look on life in general, right? Because it was just a fun show. I loved it. But it was also very dramatic, heartwarming, horrible. There's all kinds of things. That show was bloody amazing, right? I've been binge watching again. I got to about season 3 so far. As always, I'm enjoying it, as I always do, because it's something I like to go back to every couple of years. And as I was watching it, I was thinking to myself, Buffy the Vampire Slayer show is to blame for Paranormal Channel's bullshit thumbnails today. Now, as we all know, Paranormal Channels, they're everywhere now. They're everywhere. There's some good ones, there's some bad ones, a lot of bad ones. But no matter what, you will always get the thumbnail. Demon House, we explored. This is a portal to hell. I was attacked by a demon. And I was scrolling through YouTube this morning, you know, as you do on a Sunday. Sorry, trust me to have a sneezing fit as soon as I start recording. I must be allergic to bullshit. But anyway, I was browsing YouTube as you do. And because I'm subbed to her, I came across Amy's Crypt. No, nothing against Amy's Crypt, right? Nothing against them. I haven't really looked too much into their channel. I think they grasp at a lot of things, but so far, as far as I can tell, they haven't faked anything, right? They don't do that. But this thumbnail right here, the portal to hell terrified me. If you look at the thumbnails, again, I'm not having a go, right? I'm not having a go at Amy's Crypt, I'm just saying. There's a lot of shocked faces, or shook faces, we'll call them, in the thumbnails, because that's what gets the clicks. Shook face, shook face, shook face. Twin Paranormal, shook face, shook face, shook face. In fact, they don't even update their shook face half the time. It's just the same thumbnail with a different setting in the background for about a few months. They rarely change their thumbnails. It's always shook face, wide eye. Shook face, wide eye. Skinwalker Island. The night we almost died, they didn't. Trapped in the real devil's doorway. I went to the most demonic house. Do they have a portal to hell? The night we almost died. Hang on, didn't they just say that up there? What am I looking at? Oh, right, they almost died 2 nights in Diablo's Forest. I didn't realize, sorry. So glad you made it out. The Paranormal Files. Do they have shook face? I don't think he does he? To be honest with you. Okay, fair enough, he doesn't. But he does have a demon house. Demon house. Demon caught on camera. Does he have a portal to hell? Demon caught on camera. Demon caught on camera. Demon caught on camera. Haunting the dead. He just does random stalker videos now, so I don't know what the hell he's doing. Oh no, sorry. Demon attack caught on camera. Shook face. Shook face. Laney and Ben, our favourites. Shasko, shook face. Really haunted, dumb fuck face. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Oh my gosh, is the king of shook face. Shook face. Shook face. Does he have demon house? A portal to hell? No, he just has shook face in every single thumbnail. But my point being, every paranormal channel has shook face, demon house, portal to hell, and but it bugs me. It bugs me. Maybe because it's Sunday and I got work tomorrow. Maybe that's why I'm bugged. But the trend, right now, the original, not the original YouTube trend started when Ghost Adventures made the golden. I can't remember what it's called. I can't remember where it was now. The Gold Hill, something, Gold Hill thing. But they took it off Most Haunted. Now, for those who, well, you should know who Most Haunted is, but if you don't, Most Haunted started in, I think it was the early 2000s, maybe 2001, 2002, or maybe 99. I can't remember now. I used to really enjoy it. We you know, a bunch of us would go around to my mate's house. We'd watch the live. We'd watch DVDs of Most Haunted. I really enjoyed it. Every time I was watching, I was thinking, what the hell is this shit? But I did enjoy the story they told, the bollocksness that went on in those episodes. I generally enjoyed it. But they were the beginning of TV reality ghost hunting. That was the beginning. Most Haunted, I think, pretty much was the beginning. Before that, you had Ghost Watch. I'm not going to show. I made a video about Ghost Watch about 2 years ago, and the BBC copyrighted it, even though I praised that bloody show up to the hills. They still copyright me. It's a bit annoying. I wasn't making money on it anyway, but it's bloody annoying, BBC, if you ever watch this. I'm sure you do. After these last couple of weeks, I've realised now that Buffy the Vampire Slayer is the whole reason we get Portal to Hell, Demon House, and Shookface. Because you watch that show, the school of Sunnydale is situated on a hellmouth. It's not the only hellmouth, there's other hellmouths around the world, but the main hellmouth is in Sunnydale, California. And Buffy's this little girl who's got Slayer powers. You know, she slays vampires, demons, crusty demons, first powers, the first evil. They find portals to hell and battling demons, and they get shook. It's a really good show. I love that show. But not until that show happened, you would never ever hear anyone talking about portals to hell. And this was obviously before the days of YouTube, but you would never anyone, in stories, TV documentaries before YouTube, you would never ever find anyone mention Portal to Hell, Demon House. You'd never hear that. So I am inadvertently saying I am blaming Buffy the Vampire Slayer, amazing show, for the whole reason we get shit paranormal videos now, with zero imagination. And I get why they put in the thumbnail the shook face and the Portal to Hell and the Demon House. I get why they do it, because people's gonna click on that. If you're under a certain age, I think you really enjoy that stuff. I know older people do as well, but I think it's mostly aimed at a certain age group which are far, 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 far below me right now. I'm getting on a bit. But in all seriousness, though, I know I'm 50-50 joking about the Buffy the Vampire Slayer reference, but no, she didn't go over in the end, but no, yeah, she's doing it like maybe next weekend or weekend after. No, fuck off. Sorry, interrupted by a phone call from my brother. Where was I? Oh yeah, it bugs me. I can't remember what I was saying. I can't even remember what I was saying. But yeah, this whole it's become a paranormal joke now. Now you know my side on the paranormal. I am an open skeptic. I want to believe. I'd like whatever I say to be proven wrong. I say that all the time when I make debunking videos. I only do debunking videos on clips. I don't go after channels. I have in the past. It's just not what I want to do. I like to bring the comedy in. If it is comedy, I don't know. But when you're scrolling through these thumbnails, it's like, oh my god, get a grip. You got people in their 40s. I'm in my 40s. Nothing wrong with that. I'm a big kid, right? I'm a big kid. I make stupid shit. Totally fine. But you got people in their 40s running around shook face. It's the shook face, I think, which bugs me the most. Here's a question I'd like everyone to answer in the comments below. Are we ever going to be over these kind of videos? These paranormal, clearly made for kids videos. Are we ever going to be over that? I forgot as well. Salmon Colby. Shook face. And the thing is, right, if now that these shook face were happening in the video, I haven't got so much of a problem with that, because that's just a still from the actual video, right? I'm almost fine with that, but even though I think that shook face is them clearly overhyping that little knock they just heard from the front door because the window's open. They're clearly overhyping it for the camera. They do. I don't care what anyone says. They overhype the shit on camera because of this little knock. They do it all the time, all these paranormal channels, right? But it's the fact how doctored the thumbnail is. Like, they'll put bruises on them, blood in their eyes. These people are just not real people. They're not real people. That just popped up on my feed. Why the Body is the perfect episode in Buffy the Vampire Slayer. One of the best episodes in TV history, if you ask me. But anyway, I don't know where I was going with this video. I was just having a little rant because like I said, it's Sunday and I got work tomorrow. I don't know, it just bugs me. Is this jealousy? I know I'm gonna get that, you're just jealous. No, I'm not bloody jealous. I could never make that kind, unless I'm making a joke video like a horror short or something. I could never make that thumbnail. I would cringe so hard my spine would come out of my throat and then crawl to the nearest spa to get a Mars bar because the spine can't face reality. That's how much I would cringe if I made those kind of thumbnails and those kind of titles. Like I said, I have made those kind of thumbnails and titles, but I've done it in an ironic way for comedy. I don't know. I just wanted to get my thoughts out on this lovely Sunday day. Don't know where I was going with this video. I just hit record and started talking. Leave a like if you like this video. Leave a sub if you're new to my channel. I do this quite often. Oh, by the way, if you've made it to the end of this video, my Halloween horror video goes out at 6 p.m. today. Be sure to be there. It's very, very short. It'll be, you blink and you'll miss it. But it's going as a premiere. I'll be in the premiere, and I really hope you enjoy. Did I use shock face in that thumbnail? No, I didn't. I just used stills from the video. See? That's alright. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.